How to use MAPFRE disability insurance Spain properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. MAPFRE disability insurance in Spain is designed to replace a portion of your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. But most people make mistakes that can drastically reduce coverage or even result in claim denial. The surprising truth is, not all disabilities are automatically covered. One common mistake is misunderstanding the policy's definition of disability. Some MAPFRE plans cover only your current occupation, while others cover any occupation. Choosing the wrong definition can leave you underprotected if your condition affects only your current job. Ignoring the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the time between the onset of disability and when benefits start. Longer waiting periods lower your premiums but leave you financially exposed, while shorter waiting periods cost more but provide quicker support. It's important to match this period to your savings and monthly expenses. Another mistake is underestimating your benefit amount. Coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial obligations. Selecting too low a benefit might save you money on premiums, but it could leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is also common. MAPFRE offers riders such as residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these limits flexibility and long-term protection, which can be costly in the long run. Finally, incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. MAPFRE requires full transparency during both application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or even deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, MAPFRE Disability Insurance Spain can provide reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability, choose the right waiting period, set adequate benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.